Hot dog roll with cheese by French Cheap Menu. Here are the ingredients. Hot dog, cheese, bread loaf, 3 pieces of eggs, ketchup, and mayonnaise. First, flatten the bread by using a rolling pin. You can also use a glass if you don't have a rolling pin. After, cut off the edges of the bread. Here's a tip for you, French Cheeps. This is just a normal bread. We also have this one that we cut off first the edges before we flatten it. And for this bread, we flatten it first before we cut off the edges, so it's better if we do it this way. You can see the difference of these two. Next, peel off the plastic of the hot dog and set it aside. Remove the foil from the cheese and cut it lengthwise. Slice the hot dog in half and put it in the bread. Add the cheese, then roll it. Put a toothpick on each side so that it won't be ruined when it will be cooked. And do this for the rest. Third, put the breadcrumbs in a separate bowl and crack 3 pieces of eggs in a clean bowl. Beat the eggs using a fork. Dip the bread to the egg and then dip it into the breadcrumbs. Do these for the rest. Lastly, put an ample amount of oil into a pot and wait until it's hot. Put the bread into the pot and make sure there's enough space. Color turned into light brown, flip it to the other side. Once it's cooked, drain it using a paper towel or kitchen towel so that the oil will be absorbed. Remove the toothpick from the bread and cut it into 4 slices. It depends on you if you want to cut it. For the dip, just mix the mayonnaise and the ketchup. Mix it thoroughly. It's best served while it's hot. Here's your hot dog roll with cheese by French Sheep Menu. Like and share. Thank you for watching.